Hello everyone. Now I am with one of my beloved student, one of my talented student, Piyush Kumar. In the GATE examination, he got AIR-17. Right. So
Yes, sir.
he is the one who troubled me a lot. From him, I learned so many things. Trust me, 1 year he tortured me every day. Every time, whatever I will say, he will come with a different proof. Sir, Reddy sir, why not be like this? Why not be like this? Or an answer for this one like this. I learned many things. Trust me. So many people I taught. I taught so many people. I remembered, right? I cannot remember every one face. If I see the person, I may get it. But this person, if I hear the name also, right? I used to remember him. Because the reason is 1 year, right? He gained lot of knowledge and his friends also and his teachers also. That is the reason I said he's a talented kid. So
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
so happy. I'm so happy to take the interview with the Piyush Kumar. He is going to provide a lot of information. If you want, you can check. Right? Without wasting one more minute, let's start. Let's start with the Piyush. Hello, Piyush.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Hi, Piyush. Good evening. Good evening, Piyush. Thank you so much for joining here. So, Piyush, can you introduce yourself?
Uh, Sir, as you told, my name is Piyush Tiwari. Right now, I am working in ONGC, but previously I also worked in UPPCL and ISRO. I attempted GATE 3 times. First 2 times I was getting about 400 ranks, but in my third attempt I got AIR 17. That's when I prepared with you, sir. So I'm really thankful that with help of you and other teachers, I was able to do this. Thank you very much, sir.
So I'm that much. I'm big fan of you, Piyush, because I stored your name as my Piyush, and I stored your name as my Piyush talented and AIR-17. See how much big story I written about your name. My Piyush
Thank you.
talented AIR-17. You
Thank you very much,
inspired
sir.
me that much. I gained lot of knowledge. I can see in some topics I got more clarity because of students like you. I got a lot of clarity because no books having that much data. Until unless student will ask the doubt, until unless
Yes.
student will go deep, teachers may not go because unnecessarily why they will go. Because if they
Yes.
go, right, unnecessarily it will number of hours will increase. It will
Yes.
become burden to many students because some
Yes.
people want to study within the limits, right? Because there
Yes,
are
sir.
13 subjects are there,
Yes.
right? So I used to study more, then more number of hours will come in the class.
Yes,
It
sir.
will trouble many people. People will say, Reddy's are teaching more than what is required.
Yes.
So that is the reason I am scared of studying. But because of you kind of people, I went so deep. I still remember. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Piyush, for
Thank
joining
you.
and for giving the introduction. Right?
Thank you, sir, for inviting me here, sir.
Yeah. Let's move. Let's move further.
Yes.
Now, yeah, I collected so many doubts from the students. What I have to ask and all. Right?
Yes, sir.
So I listed out all the things. I will ask one by one. Now, please give the answer to me, Piyush. How many years students have to prepare for GATE examination if they want to crack, according to your
Sir,
experience?
okay. Sir, that basically depends on the individual because once you are having self-belief, you may, things happen in the exam center. Sometimes you mess up things. So, depending on the confidence of an individual, if he thinks that he can do more. For example, I appeared 3 times. First 2 times, the first time, obviously, everyone will appear and maybe repeat for the second time. But because I knew that I can do better, I had self-belief. 90% or 99% of the people were asking me to just go on with MTech, or only few people, 1 or 2 people like you, sir. You motivated me to go again and prepare for that. So yes, it depends on the individual. If he feels he can do it, yes, he should do it. But he should also be practical. For example, if I was not able to do in my third attempt as well, maybe I would have chosen something else. So yes, you have to be practical, but also if you have self-belief, depending on the individual, he can, as long as he has self-belief, he can try once more.
I still remember when you tried the second time, right? Second time you tried so honestly. I'm very sure you are going to get top 10. On
Yes.
Pakka. Some students are, I am very confident. So you are one of them. I thought you will get the top 10. But when you said that, sir, I didn't get, I felt so bad. I got a lot of pain also. This much hard work. If you also, sometimes I used to feel, that time I felt, where is God? Where is God? What kind of God is? Right? You are the correct person to get the rank. When you didn't get, I felt bad, and I almost criticized the God also. But afterwards, you asked me, sir, should I write the GATE examination one more time? So I'm pretty confident you are going to get. I said, try. I said, try
Yes.
because you are going to get. For some students, I may not say, right? Because
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not that much confident. But
Yes.
about you, I am fully confident.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for getting the All India rank 17, right? So it is a
Yes.
really inspiring story because 3 times trying is not a normal thing, right? Because
Yes.
people may be exhausted. That is the reason I'm asking how many years preparation is that? Do you feel really possible?
1 year is more than sufficient. If you are dedicatedly studying for GATE, then 1 year is sufficient. I mean, yes, I mean, sometimes some things may happen, but if you are going by a normal course, then 1 year is more than enough, sir.
However, it is based on the person, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
There is no fixed story like these many years only and all. Some people
Yes,
1 year only, right? Fine.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So next one. When student have to start the preparation seriously. Now
Uh,
I think
mhm.
now GATE examination is people can write third year also. There are
Yes, sir.
online classes also available.
Yes,
Third
sir.
year onwards, people can write the GATE examination. Online classes also there,
Yes, sir.
right?
So, in
Yeah.
my opinion, serious preparation should begin as early as possible, but still, third year is the best time. Yes, if someone wishes, his aim is to crack GATE only, then he can begin earlier as well, as earlier as good. But still, third year is the time when you should definitely start.